Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a traditional Maharashtrian curry recipe that's made with Alu leaves or the Colocasia leaves. It tastes nice, sweet and tangy, and it's made during special occasions. It's absolutely delicious. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. To make this curry, I have taken about 4 to 5 Colocasia leaves and just roughly chopped them like these. I have also taken these stems and just chopped them into small pieces. Soak about half a cup of peanuts in some warm water. 1/4 cup of chana dal or the chickpeas dal. Lemon-sized tamarind soaked in water. Few dry coconut slices, some cashews, some fresh coconut and a chili, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of goda masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 tablespoons of jaggery or good, and few curry leaves. In a pressure cooker, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. The flame is on medium-high. Once the oil is hot, add some hing. Slit the chili into two and drop that in. Give it a quick stir. Now drop the sliced dry coconut. Give it a stir and we are going to fry it till it turns golden brown. So that will take a minute or so, and here you see the change in color. The coconut slices are fried well. Now drop the chopped stems of the Colocasia leaves or the Alu leaves. Fry it well. Now take out the peanuts from the water and add those. Give it a quick stir. Now add the Alu leaves or the Colocasia leaves. Mix it well. Slowly you will notice that the leaves kind of start to shrink. It's always good to cook them in a pressure cooker. Now drop in the soaked chana dal or the chickpeas dal and give it a quick stir. Now we are going to add about 2 cups of water and just make sure it's mixed well. Cover it and we are going to cook it for about 3 to 4 whistles. Meanwhile, we are going to grind the cashews to a fine powder like this. Keep it on the side. Grind the coconut with some water to a fine paste like this and keep it on the side. The pressure cooker has cooled down. Let's open and check and remove the chilies from there. Notice that the Alu leaves have cooked well. So just take out of any chili you can find and just smash it with a hand masher like this. You can also put it in a grinder, but we want those thick bites under your tongue when you eat, so just doing it with a hand masher is better. Now in a deep pot, add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and give a tadka with mustard seeds. Add the cumin seeds and as they crackle, add the methi seeds. Give it a quick stir. Let's add the spices. Add the turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and the goda masala powder. Add some salt. Fry the spices well with the tadka, so just stir it for 3 to 4 seconds and that's good. Now add the coconut paste and give it a nice stir. Add the cashew powder and make sure there are no lumps, so take your time to mix it well. It will take about 20 to 30 seconds. Now it's good. Add the tamarind pulp that we made with the fresh tamarind we had soaked in water. Now add the cooked Alu leaves. So just drop all of that in and give it a nice stir. Alu leaves are extremely beneficial and have lots of healthy nutrients. Add the jaggery powder. Mix it well. It's pretty thick, so to this now I'm going to add a cup of water. So I've just washed my cooker and just added that in. Add all the remaining salt. You can always add more water if you like thinner consistency. Now add the curry leaves and give it a good mix. We are going to cover and cook it on a medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. The curry is now ready. Let's switch off the flame and give it a quick stir. We are going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. So add some coriander leaves and now serve it hot. Alu FATFATA or Alu CHI PATAL BHAJI is ready. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.